Good morning, students. This is 12th standard botany video class. In this video, we are going to revise the test portion, Unit 10, Economic Botany, book inside questions. Dear students, before going to revise the book inside question, today your homework assignment is you have to go through, learn and write the book back questions, as much as possible questions, and send to me personal WhatsApp number without fail. Now we are going to revise the book inside question, minor millet. So the first one is little millet. The binomial name is Panicum sumatrans. So this species is the oldest millet, native to India. The name of the species is based on the specimen collected from Sumatra. So from this Sumatra region only the millet is collected. So the name of the little millet is Panicum sumatrans. See that one, Sumatra, sumatrans. It is rich in iron and fiber when compared to rice. It will be best for diabetes. Diabetic patient, it will be best food material. Uses cooked like rice, milled and baked. Milled means maavu arakkirathu, and we are baking to prepare for food material. It cures anemic condition. That means it increases the RBC content, constipation, that is motion problem, and a gastrological problem, that is stomach problem or intestinal problem. Another one, foxtail millet, binomial name Setaria italica. This is also oldest millet in India. It will be domesticated from China 6,000 years ago. It contains protein, carbohydrate, vitamin B, C, potassium and calcium. Uses, it supports in strengthening the heart and improves eyesight. First point, the uses is it's strengthening of heart. It improves the eyesight. Second point, a common name for foxtail millet is thinai. This porridge, abdina kanji, is given to lactating mother. Lactating mother means mother, one who feeding to his baby. Sorry, not to his baby, to her baby. That is known as lactating mother. Next one, kodo millet. Botanical name Paspalum scrobiculatum. Kodo millet is originated from West Africa, rich in fiber, protein and minerals. It is ground into flour, maava arachikrom, and is used to make for pudding. So pudding means solid form of, solid, that is semi-solid form of porridge. Kanji oda idukku pedam pudding, or look like a smart cake like, and also loosened. It's not a thickened one, some loosened one. Good diuretic, that means it removes the toxic substance from the urine and cures constipation, that is motion problem. Obesity reducing, blood sugar and blood pressure level is also reducing. So these three are the minor millet. Write a short notes on little millet, kodo millet and foxtail millet, or they'll ask the question in the form of write the uses of foxtail millet, kodo millet and little millet. Sometimes there is a question, write a short notes on the following: A, little millet, B, kodo millet, C, foxtail millet. Like that they'll ask the question. So this is said to be the minor millet. Next topic is spices and condiments. Under spices, we are going to see the different topics. First one, cardamom, that is Yelaka. Binomial name is Eleutheria cardamom. Family, Gingiberaceae. It's a one mark question. Dash is Eleutheria cardamom belongs to the family dash. Likewise, they'll ask the question. Family, Gingiberaceae. Origin, indigenous to southern India and Sri Lanka. It is known as Queen of Spices. It is a book back question. In India, it is a main cash crop, Panapayir, cultivated in Western Ghats, northeastern India. Uses, it produces pleasing aroma, smell, and a characteristic warm, slightly pungent taste. It is used for flavoring confectionaries, that is baking material, chocolate, cake, biscuits, like that, confectionaries, bakery products, and beverages. Beverages means cool drinks, like that. The seeds are used to prepare for curry powder, pickles, and cakes. It is a stimulant and carminative. Dear students, revise the paragraph carefully. What all the points I am mentioning here? First one, the seeds are having pleasing aroma. First point. Then second point, it is warm, slightly pungent taste. Third one, used for flavoring, confectioning, bakery products and beverages. The next one, it is used to prepare for curry powder, pickle, and cakes. It is a stimulant and a carminative, and also mouth freshener. So that word only you can able to write it in the uses. No need to learn entire content. Next one, black pepper. We all know that one, Melagu. Binomial name, Piper nigrum. Family, Piperaceae. Origin and cultivation, indigenous to Western Ghats of India. It is known as King of Spices. This question is book back question. Termed as black gold of India. Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu are top producers. The pungency of the pepper due to presence of alkaloid piperin. There are two types of pepper, black and white pepper. Uses, it is flavoring in preparation of sauce, soup, curry powder, and pickles. It is an aromatic stimulant for enhancing salivary and gastric secretion and also stomach ache. It is the bioabsorption of medicine. Next one, turmeric. Curcuma longa, family Gingiberaceae. It is a largest producer, consumer, exporter. In turmeric, Erode in Tamil Nadu is the world largest wholesale turmeric market. Important one mark question. Uses, dear students, it is a book back question. Enumerate the uses of turmeric. See the points given here. It is most important Indian spices, traditionally used for culinary, cosmetic, dyeing, and for medicinal purposes. Dear students, if you are going to revise the lesson, kindly watch the video. What are all the words I am using in the paragraph? That is the first point. Second point, it is used for curry powder. It is used as a coloring agent in pharmacy, that means medical field, medicinal tablet field, medicine field, confectionery, chocolate and cakes preparation, and food industry. Then Rice colored with turmeric used in sacred and auspicious ceremonies. Rice colored with turmeric used in sacred and auspicious ceremonies. It is also used for dyeing leather, fiber, paper and toys. Next paragraph, curcumin extracted from turmeric is responsible for yellow color. This paragraph only very important. Curcumin is antioxidant. Antioxidant help to fight various kinds of cancer. The next point is it has anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral activities. Dear students, you have to write all the points. That means all the words given in this point. Inflammatory, diabetic, bacterial, fungal and viral activities. And also last point, it stops platelets from clotting in arteries, which leads to heart attack. That means it prevents against heart attacks by stopping platelets from clotting in arteries. Heart walls, that is arteries, blood block agama prevent pandradhu. This curcumin is very important. Sometimes they'll ask the question, write the uses of curcumin. Separately they'll ask the 3-mark question. So that is the enumerate the uses of curcumin. Next one, red pepper, melagai, binomial name Capsicum annum and Capsicum frustescens is the 2-mark question. Write the species of chilies or red pepper or capsicum. Capsicum annum and Capsicum frustescens. Family Solanaceae. Native South America. Popularly known as chilies or red pepper in English. India is the leading producer and exporter. 1-mark question. So annum and frustescens are important cultivated species of chilies. Next, uses. Capsicum annum as a less pungent than the Capsicum frustescens. Capsicum annum includes large sweet bell peppers. Long fruit cultivars are commercially known as cayenne pepper, crushed, powdered, used as condiment. So, வீட்டில் நீட்டாக இருக்கக்கூடிய மிளகா வச்சு மிளகாத்தூளுக்கு அரைக்கிறாங்க இல்லையா, that is known as cayenne pepper. So, these chilies are used to prepare sauces, curry powder and pickle. Capsaicin as an active component of chilies. Underline the word capsaicin is very much important. You have to write it as an important point, key point. This capsaicin relieving pain and used in pain relieving balms. That means the capsaicin contains pain relieving properties. So it is used in the pain relieving balms. They are using this alkaloid, that is active component capsaicin. Chilies are good sources of vitamin C, A and E. Then do you know paragraph 1-mark question. What is SHU? That is Scoville heat units, which is used to measure the pungency of chilies. 1-mark question. Pungency of chilies is measured by a unit is dash. That is Scoville heat units. Another one, world's hottest chilies, Carolina Reaper pepper, having 22 lakhs SHU. Naga Viper chili is the hottest in India. Underline the word. World hottest chili is Carolina Reaper. India, Naga Viper. 13 lakhs 49,000 SHU. Commonly used cayenne pepper measures 30,000 to 50,000 Scoville heat units. So next topic is timber. The basic need of shelter is obtained from the timber. வீடு கட்டுறதுக்கு பயன்படுத்துறோம். So the different timbers are teak, binomial name Tectona grandis, family Lamiaceae. Origin is Southeast Asia. It is observed in Assam, cultivated in Bengal, Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Northwest India. Uses: a teak is one of the best timber of the world. You already studied hardwood and softwood. The hardwood of the teak is golden yellow to golden brown. When they freshly sawn, பச்சையாக இருக்கும்போது மரத்தாக இருக்கும்பொழுது they are showing the color is golden yellow to golden brown. When you are placing this wood or a timber into the light, it will be modified into darker. So known for its durability, that is வளைஞ்சு கொடுக்கக்கூடிய capacity, and its immune power to the attack of termites and fungi. That means this teak wood does not affected by any kind of termites and fungi. That is said to be immune system of this teak wood. The wood does not split, crack விழாது, split or crack. It is a friendly wood to carpenter. It is used to prefer for railway carriage, wagon wood in India, shipbuilding, bridge building. Is depending upon the teak wood. It is also used in making boats, toys, plywood, door frames and doors. Next one, rosewood, Dalbergia latifolia, family Fabaceae. Dear students, under this timber topic, definitely one question will come for the 5-mark question. So kindly learn this book inside timber topic very carefully. So rosewood is native to India, cultivated in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, central, western and southern India. Indian rosewood has yellowish sapwood and dull brown to almost purple colored heartwood. Sapwood is dull brown, heartwood is purple color. The wood is characterized by fragrant, that means smell, heavy, narrowly interlocked grained and medium coarse texture. It is durable and heavy wood, suitable for underwater use. தண்ணி ஊற்றினாலும் ஒன்றும் ஆகாது. Wood is making for furniture, army wagons, temple chariot, தேர்லாம் தயாரிக்கிறதுக்கு, cabinet, railway sleepers, musical instruments, hammer handles, shoe heels and tobacco pipes. So this rosewood is also very very important. 3-mark and 5-mark question. Next one, ebony, binomial name Diospyros ebenum, ebenaceae, commonly found in tropical forests southern India and Sri Lanka. It is distributed in forests of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Uses: hardwood is jet black. Dear students, the color of the hardwood and softwood of all the 3 timbers is very very important. With a metallic lustre and smoothened and is resistant to attack by insects and fungi. So that is, it has a immunity power against insect and fungi. The wood is showing difficult to season and cut into small pieces before seasoning method. We already studied different types of seasoning method in 11th standard. It is mainly used for making piano keys, Handles of cutlery. Cutlery means cooking purpose, knife like that, scissors. Musical instrument, making sticks, umbrella handles, whips, whipna, sorter, and furniture. So these are all the different uses of ebony. Next topic is traditional system of medicine, that is TSM. Two questions are, that is one of the topic is based on the book back question. Remaining two are book inside question, that is Ayurveda system of medicine. The system is originated from Brahma. The core knowledge is documented by Charaka, Sushruta and Bhagavata in compendiums written by them. It consists of three humor principles, namely Vada, Pitta and Kapha. These three principles helps in equilibrium for a healthy living. They are used in more herbs and few animal parts as a drug sources. So plant sources are collected from the Himalayan plants. The Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India lists 500 plants used as a sources of drugs. That is Ayurveda. Next one, folk system of medicine. It is a oral tradition among rural and tribal communities of India. A document, consolidated study of document the plants used by ethnic communities was lodged by a Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India, in the form of All India Coordinated Research Project on Ethnobiology. 8,000 plant species have been documented, used for medicinal purposes. The effort to document in several underexplored and unexplored pocket of India still continued. The tribal communities are known for their medicinal knowledge, include Irulas, Malayalis, Kurumbas, Paulians and Kanis. That is the folk system of medicine. Then medicinal plant. One more question. 90% collection of medicinal plants is from the non-cultivated sources. Then what is biomedicine? You are having, that is the book back. Important. 3 more question. Difference between biomedicine and botanical medicine. Another book inside question is one of the medicinal plant, Kira Nelly. Binomial name, Phyllanthus amarus. Family, Euphobiaceae. New name is Phyllanthacea. Origin, tropical American. Naturalized in India and other tropical countries. Important word is it is not cultivated. Nambala ada uruvakradhu kedaiyadhu. Collected from the moist dense forest. Moist dense forest places in plains. Another species is Phyllanthus madus patensis. Is commonly sold in medicinal plant markets. Collected from non-forest or as Kira Nelly. It contains the active principle phyllanthine. Medicinal important. It is well known for hepatoprotective in Tamil Nadu for the treatment of jaundice. Research carried out by Dr. S.P. Tyagarajan, University of Madras, proved that extract of Phyllanthus amarus is effective against hepatitis B virus. So against jaundice, it is used to prepare the medicine. That is proved by Dr. S.P. Tyagarajan and his team in University of Madras. Extract of Phyllanthus amarus is the effective plant against hepatitis B virus, that is jaundice. Next one, Adathodai. Binomial name Justicia adathoda. Family Acanthaceae. Native India and Sri Lanka. This species is not known in wild in Tamil Nadu. நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டில் எம்டி ஏரியாவில் கலெக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. பட் வைல்டு கல்டிவேட்டட் ஆஸ் லைஃப் ஃபென்ஸ் அண்ட் அரவுண்ட் டெம்பிள். பட் அதை நம்ம எப்படி பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, வீட்டை சுற்றி வேலி போடலாம். லைக் டெம்பிளை சுற்றி வீட்டில் என்ன பண்ணலாம், வேலி போடலாம். That is said to be Adathoda. Active principle vaccine uses bronchodilating property. That is, it will be clear the blocking of bronchus which is present in the lungs. That is said to be bronchodilating property. Decoction, that means boiled with hot water, used in treating many bronchial disorder such as cough, cold and asthma. It is also used in treating fever. The extract of Adathoda is the ingredient of cough syrup. Another one, Nilavembu. It is a book bag question. King of bitter. You already know that one. Then see the table column. Other common medicinal plant. It's a very, very important 3-mark question. You have to learn the table for 2-mark and 3-mark question. Holy basil, that is Ocimum sanctum, Tulasi. Indian gooseberry, Phyllanthus emblica, that is Nellica. Indian Acalipa, Cupameni, belongs to the family Euphobaceae. Vilvum, Agel marmalus, Rutaceae, fruit. Weld graped, Cissus quadrangularis, Pirandae, Vitaceae. Useful part is stem and root. Second one, Phyllanthacea, fruit. First one, leaves and root. Medicinal uses. The leaves are stimulant, antiseptic, antihypertensive, antibacterial and expectorant used in bronchitis. Decoction of root as a diaphoretic in malarial fever. This is the uses of Tulasi, that is Ocimum sanctum. Indian gooseberry, potent rejuvenator and immune modulator, anti-aging properties, promote longevity, enhance digestion, treat constipation, reduce fever and cough. Then Acalipa indica, Cupaimeni, cure skin diseases caused by ringworms. Powdered leaves are cure bed sores and infected wounds. Then Vilvum Agel marmalus, treat problems of stomach indigestion. It kills intestinal parasite. Then weld graped Cissus quadrangularis Pirandae, paste and powder of stem and root used in bone fracture. Whole plant is useful to treat asthma and stomach troubles. So, dear students, up to this we have seen book inside questions. Kindly observe the video carefully and learn the points thoroughly and prepare well for the test. God bless you. All the best, children.